If you're experiencing login errors on YouTube, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password. Make sure there are no typos and that your caps lock is not on. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password link to reset it. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser as cache and cookies or the app as cache if you are using a mobile device. This can help refresh your login session. Step 4. Update the YouTube app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the YouTube app or your web browser. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Update the app through your device's app store or the browser by checking for updates. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy services. If you are using a VPN or proxy, it might interfere with your login process. Disable these services temporarily to see if you can log in without them. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.